The conference is in the first place a networking event, and here they can meet a large part of the European HiPEAC community, so they integrate in the community. And especially for young students and PhD students, it's the way to meet the senior people, also the companies, etc. So it's very useful for them, but also for the senior ones that make plans for collaboration. Krakow is a fantastic place, not only the city but also the venue we are in. We have plenty of rooms, very nicely done, and a lot of space in the foyer. So this was a fantastic experience here in Krakow.
We need a forum like this to encourage free interaction, right? Research, translational research, right, from what we have done to the actual commercialization possibilities. And my best wishes for HiPEAC to continue to make a huge impact.
HiPEAC is to us quite crucial, not just because it's a computational, it actually brings the AI and brings the integration to the hardware, okay, across different domains. So across automotive, across aerospace, we have projects that focus on different domains.
There will be a HiPEAC conference in 2027, and I'm glad to announce that we will move to Glasgow in next year.